So let us now see what type of plant tissues are there. Plants have two types of tissues, meristematic and permanent. Okay, we'll read about them one by one. Meristematic tissues are found at all growing parts of a plant. Tips of the roots, stems, branches all have meristematic cells or their group, which is tissues. Meristematic tissues are also present between the bark and wood of trees, where it leads to growth in the diameter of stem. And since it helps in growth, these tissues consist of actively dividing cells, which leads to increase in length and thickness of the plant. Now, how do meristematic tissues look like? They are small, usually cubical, with thin cell walls. They have large nuclei. Vacuoles are almost absent, right? They actively divide and add new cells to the plant. The new cells that are produced are transformed into mature permanent tissues. This is how a meristematic tissue is organized. It has apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem, right? There are three types of meristematic tissues: apical, intercalary and lateral. Apical is found at the tip, intercalary in the middle and lateral at the lowermost side of the plant. So, apical meristem is found at tip of root or shoot, which means apical position. It is the apical tissue which helps the plant to increase its length. The next one is intercalary meristem. The meristematic tissue which is intercalated between permanent tissue is known as intercalary meristem. So it is positioned either at the base of the leaf, at base of a node, right? Again, all meristematic tissues help in increasing the length of the plant. It is just that the part where they are present, this division is according to their position in the plant rather than their functions. So all meristems help in increasing the length of the plant. Lateral meristem is present at the root, right, and it helps to increase the diameter of the plant. Another type of plant tissue is the permanent tissue. Now, why the name permanent? Because these tissues have lost the ability to divide, right, and they have assumed a permanent shape, right? They will no longer change now. They are derived from the meristematic cells itself, and the process of taking up a definite shape, size and structure is called differentiation. Now we say that permanent tissues have been specialized for a specific function. So, depending on difference in their specialization, they have been characterized into simple, complex or special permanent tissues.